Ngiyabuza Ntoni yenzile Ntoni, lo nto ndifumene ndiyenzile Ntoni. Inhliziyo yami iphelelwa ndimile phina, ndifuna ukukhanya kodwa ndimnyama phakathi. I wake up in the shadows, mind heavy like lead. Questions in my chest like bullets in my head. I scream to the ceiling, but the ceiling don't care. I'm drowning in silence, gasping for air. Mama cried herself to sleep, I hear her late at night, praying for a boy, but I can't get it right. Life's a cruel deal, I shuffle my deck wrong. Every king falls, every prince turns pawn. Looking in the mirror, I see my scars replay. Every mistake, every lie, every price I pay. I spit rhymes like confession, but no absolution. God, did you make me or just an illusion? I run in circles, life's hamster wheel of pain. Smile on my face, but it's all in vain. Friends turn foes, love turns cold. I'm bitter my soul, all in still fold. Poverty and demons, yet it tag team. I scream for mercy, but I can't hear a thing. I'm boxed in reality, trapped in my mind. Every door I open, other lock I find. Moments of joy, feel like borrowed time. Every blessing mask, every bell without chime. I try to reach out, but nobody's home. I'm shouting in the storm, still I roam alone. I punched the clock, but the hours hit back. Life's a heart attack, no CPR, just black. I've been down for days, nights bleed to dawn, fighting battles silent that nobody's on. I spit fire, but it burns my lungs first. Every verse a wound, every rhyme a curse. I see the world painted in shades of gray. I'm searching for hope, but it keeps slipping away. God, did you forget me, or am I just material? Cause my tears write scripts more real than serials. I bleed on paper, these lines are my therapy. Praying for justice, yet trapped in disparity. Every prayer's a whisper, drowning city screams. Every dream's a shadow, lost inside extremes. I'm a soldier without armor, walking on broken glass, living in the past while the present don't last. I close my eyes, see the faces I lost. Every smile, every hug, every cost. I ask myself daily, what did I do to deserve this life full of lessons? Each one a curve, I wrote pain in my veins, rhyme by rhyme, counting sins and tears like lines of time. Maybe tomorrow I'll see a sliver of sun, but tonight I'm broken, nowhere to run in. I throw words at heaven, hoping they stick. Every lyric a bullet, every metaphor thick. I'm screaming at God, but it's silent up there. Guess I'm learning that life's cruel, but rare. Ngiyabuza Ntoni yenzile Ntoni, lo nto ndifumene ndiyenzile Ntoni. Inhliziyo yami iphelelwa ndimile phina, ndifuna ukukhanya kodwa ndimnyama phakathi.